Today I brought something super different for you. I'm going to teach you how to prepare a yam broth. If you like yams or not, follow this video until the end. If you don't like it, after this recipe, you will start to like it. It's a very tasty and simple recipe, not to mention that it's great for your health. Before you start, comment here below the city where you are watching this video from. I really like to know where our videos are coming from. So, guys, here I have 8 to 10 yams cut into small pieces. But the quantity is totally optional, you choose. We will also need half a chopped sausage, shredded chicken, half a chopped onion, 1 grated carrot, and 2 chopped tomatoes. I washed and put a quantity of cabbage to drain, and I will also add some green smell at the end. Let's add half a chopped calabrese sausage to brown it. You keep stirring it so this sausage doesn't burn. Now add 1 to 2 chopped or crushed garlic. As soon as the garlic is browned a little bit, we are going to add half a chopped onion. Keep stirring. When the onion wilts, add 1 grated carrot. Let's saute it now before adding the chicken. Ready, just add the chicken. You can add as much chicken as you want. And you stir it all. Look, after the yam is ready, I beat it in the blender. And we are going to add this yam liquid in the pan. If you don't say that this recipe is made with yams, nobody will guess, because it doesn't taste like yams. I'll use the blender to add it. Now I'll adjust the salt and let it boil, and I'll be right back to finish the recipe. We'll add oregano to taste and a ready-made seasoning to taste. Use the seasoning you usually use. Then, my loves, let's add the cabbage. Remember that the cabbage is optional. And to finish, add the green smell to taste. There's no secret, this yam broth is simply wonderful. And you can accompany it with rice, or anything else you like. I'm sure if you make it at home, you'll love it. Today's message is from Deuteronomy chapter 20, verse 4. For the Lord your God will accompany you and fight for you against your enemies, to give you victory. Once we accept the Lord as our Savior and King, He goes into battle on our behalf. He saves us and protects us from our enemies, whoever or whatever. It could be a military enemy, a co-worker, a disgruntled neighbor, or even a health challenge that confronts us, but God does not want us to be defeated by these things. It is through His heart that we are to overcome any challenge and live a successful life. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you next time. Bye.